It has a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Serena comes with 37,486 original miles. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It is a factory right-hand drive vehicle as well. It comes with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Apparently I can't talk today, so pardon me for that. It does come with interior hanging rails on both sides, as y'all can see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. It does go away as well. The number that you are seeing on the bottom down here, 60,327. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 37,486. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle now. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I did want to take the time to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.